guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, hauls, product reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of stuff, then just please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. For today's video, it is going to be another Louis Vuitton Christmas animation unboxing. I purchased another piece and I'm super excited about it because I've told you guys that I was looking for all the pieces. I just didn't get one. I'm 2 down, 1 more to go. I don't know if I will get it or if I will ever get it, but I did get a second piece and I'm super excited about it. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So in my previous video, you guys told me that my Neo it had a defect on it, and then I could bring it to the Louis Vuitton store and get either exchange or a refund. So I did take it to the Louis Vuitton store and they totally exchanged it. So if you want to see what I ended up picking up instead of like getting a refund and getting an exchange for it, then just please hit that like button. Also comment down below if you'd like to see that video. I did purchase it for my mom. She's been wanting that piece for such a long time and I just thought I would treat her instead of buying myself a bag, because as you guys know, I've been buying plenty of bags and I just wanted to treat her. But I did, while I was there, she was like, we don't have any more pieces from the Christmas animation. So she went in the back to get the bag that I bought, and she was like, you will never believe it, I just got a piece in. And I went in the morning, so they were still getting their shipment in. Like, you will never believe it, I just got a piece in that you've been wanting and I have it right here. So I was like so ecstatic about it, and I was like, yes, I'll take it, wrap it up, I will buy it. So I did get like a little money off because of the balance that I had on my Neo and the bag that I got, and then I just had to pay like an extra $200 or something like that. I'm not really sure, but that's what I'm gonna unbox for you guys right now. So yeah, so this is the bag that it came in and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I had to get a thumbnail in, but this is the new Christmas animation bags that they have. It is gorgeous, just so stunning, so vibrant, and it just has the Louis Vuitton printed on the front in gold, and then it says the Mansion Fundy in 1854 in Paris. So yeah, super stunning and I just love it so much. It's by far my favorite Christmas animation packaging from Louis Vuitton yet. So super excited about this. But my sales associate was so nice and she was just amazing. I love her. She always helps me and is always like informative and everything. So yeah, I'm taking out the box. Oh, and she did give me another name tag, which was super nice of her. So this is the box that it comes in. It's a classic Louis Vuitton box with the blue pull tab, but the ribbon is white with the gold Louis Vuitton on it, like that. See? Yeah, so it has a white ribbon with the Louis Vuitton on it, and then this is the gift tag that it comes with. Has like a little white envelope if you want to write a note to someone, if you're gifting something from Louis Vuitton from the Christmas animation or anything. They'll still give you the packaging. So yeah, just a little tag. I'm gonna take the ribbon off. Such beautiful presentation. So the classic, you know the deal, blue tab. And this is my receipt. So I did pay after the bag was put on. I did owe $229.24. So that might give you a little hint, but I am super excited about this piece. So as I was doing, this is one, it's hard to get out. Okay, so put in the box down. Can you hear that? If you want to pause the video and take a guess, but I think yeah, you definitely guys know what this is. So this is the classic Louis Vuitton bag, dust bag. And the piece that I ended up getting was, okay, yes! Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Christmas Animation Pochette accessories. I could be totally butchering that, but the pochette. It's funny because this whole Christmas animation collection is all the pieces that I had on my wish list. So I've always wanted to get a pochette. I always wanted to get the zippy coin purse, which if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I will leave a link above, or you can find it on my channel. I recently just did it, so it will be right up there. But yeah, this is the pochette, and it has the classic monogram like that, and then this is the beautiful Christmas animation with the Vivian on the gondola, and then it has the Louis Vuitton trunks with the water, and then the beautiful flowers, and then the bridge. So yeah, I love how it has the monogram, and then it has the little gold chain, and you can unhook this if you wanted to from this side like that, and you can clip it on this side like that if you wanted to just do like a wristlet kind of thing. I think that's super cute, or you can just leave it as it is. And most people, or some people, not most people, they leave it as like a little handbag. I don't know, I feel like it's cute. I mean, I wouldn't do it as a handbag, that's just not my style. But you know, I could just bring this one day out if I'm not feeling like bringing any of my bags or anything. This is great for that reason. It's very roomy. But the beautiful part about this is the blue interior. How beautiful is this? This is so beautiful. I just love this color. My favorite color is blue, so it just works out perfectly. And here's the tags. So yeah, the mini pochette accessories, monogram, canvas. Here's the barcode if you guys want to see that. There's the name on the top. And then this is coated fabric, cowhide leather. There you go. And then it just says the mini pochette accessories, and then the total, which was $375. Focusing. There we go. So yeah. But I think this is so cute, and I have a couple of video ideas for this little baby right here, so make sure you do subscribe. But yeah, if you guys want to know what I could carry in this, or would I carry in this, please let me know. I will definitely do a video on that. Be happy to do a video on that. But yeah, that is my second Christmas animation unboxing, and I don't know if I'm gonna get the round coin purse. I want it so bad, but my SA hasn't gotten back to me, and she said she would definitely keep an eye out on it for me if she receives it. But yeah. Oh, and it's so cute because on the D-ring it has like the mini monogram. I think that's so cute. And also on the zipper, like that. So it is super cute. I love this piece so much. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So that's what the whole tab says. So yeah, this is my unboxing for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please, as always, give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I love you guys, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for our new subscribers. Yeah, so I am going to be posting this tomorrow, and before I exit out this video, I just wanted to say sorry for not posting on Thursday. I just had like a family day. I didn't want you guys to think that, you know, I was quitting never gonna quit. I've been loving posting luxury videos more than like I was doing before, like the vlogs and like random videos. I love doing these luxury videos, so let me know if you guys are loving these luxury videos, or if you have any like video ideas that you want me to do or anything like that. I am all ears, and I love your recommendations and all your comments. They mean the world to me, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.